So we are with are you the founder, the CEO of Wua.la?
The co-founder of
The
Wua.la.
co-founder.
Yes.
So you presented that yesterday here at Lift.
At the Venture Night?
Yeah. So what is it?
Okay, Wua.la is a peer-to-peer online storage where you can store files, you can access them from any computer, you can share files with friends or in groups, or you can publish files. So, and the big difference to any other online storage is that all the data is stored in the peer-to-peer network and not on huge server farms, so that we have our costs are dramatically lower than any competitor, so that we can provide a better service for free.
So it's cheaper than Streamload and Xdrive and...
Exactly.
Yeah?
Those are the competitors, but they're based on the traditional model where they host all the data on their servers, which is what we not do.
Yeah.
We also do a backup on our servers, but our server architecture is much leaner than the others because it's only used when the data cannot be found in a peer-to-peer network.
Anywhere else?
Yes.
So do you automatically spread it more, the more people want to download it somehow? I mean,
yes,
is there something like that?
There is also a mechanism similar to BitTorrent for distributing popular content.
Yeah.
But the main architecture works like this. If you store a file, it is first encrypted on your computer, then it is split into fragments. Those fragments are redundantly encoded into more fragments, which are then uploaded into the peer-to-peer network, onto so-called storage nodes, which are computer who are explicitly trading storage in their computer, and which are online for at least 4 hours a day.
4 hours a day, so you have a software installed?
Yes.
Windows-based or?
Mac, Windows, Linux, and starting with the open beta.
You also have Linux?
Yes. It's based in Java, so it's quite easy to port it to different operating systems.
And starting with the open beta, what would you say?
You will also be able to start the software directly from the web, so you don't have to download and install the application. You can still do so if you want to have it on your computer, but you can also start it from any computer.
So there will be like a pop-up saying install on the web browser, or?
You go to our website and then you have a start button. If you hit on the start button, the application directly
will install somehow. I mean, it's a real application.
It's a real application, but it will be loaded directly into the memory of your computer. And only if you want to, you can say, I want to have it on my desktop, so that you then install it.
So how much bandwidth and how much disk space do you have to provide to get this service? I mean, as a user.
Okay, if you want to start, you just get 1 gigabyte of storage, which is provided by us for free, so you don't have to trade if you don't want to. So if you're happy with this 1 gigabyte, that's fair enough. You can also invite your friends, and for each friend that you successfully invite, you get 1 additional gigabyte of storage. Only if you need more storage, then you can trade on your computer. Then you can say, okay, I want to trade 10 gigs on my computer, and then you can earn up to 10 gigs of online storage, or any amount you can.
Up to 10 gigs, what does it mean? I mean, it means whatever disk space you use to host from your computer, 4 hours per day?
Yes, it's multiplied by the actual time you're online. So let's say you're 50% online, then you get 50% of what you provide in your computer. So let's say you provide 100 gigabytes and you're 50% online, then you get 50 gigs of online storage.
So it's by the time that you're online, it's not by the bandwidth. Are you counting bandwidth, or?
The bandwidth is an important thing because you get faster downloads the more upload bandwidth you provide, but it's not factored into the amount of storage that you get.
Just when you download, then it's proportional to the upload that you provide?
Exactly.
But in the upload, in amount of gigabytes or the megabit per second?
Yeah, they're like average.
An average. So even if you have a slow bandwidth but you upload the whole day, then it might give you fast download.
Exactly.
Yeah?
Yes, and this is it's a privileged download, which means that only if the network is full or if there is contention in the network, then you will have privileged downloads. Otherwise, if there is no, you won't be restricted if the node can upload it full.
All right. That's really cool because so many people have a lot of disk space they don't use, and they have bandwidth they never use. They have 99% of the bandwidth never used.
Exactly. So that's the idea, to use those idle resources.
And as much storage you want, you just have to have it at home and let other people use that, right? It's not for your own stuff.
Exactly.
You store other people's stuff encrypted.
You store encrypted fragments of other people's files.
All right. So this is kind of like what's it called? Free net.
Yeah.
Is it?
There are some technical similarities, but from a product point of view, it's different. There is no anonymity in Wua.la, so it's not about anonymously uploading files, but it's always associated to the owner of the file.
But if you just share privately, nobody can see what it is, apart from the people you're sharing to.
Exactly.
It's completely encrypted, and you're not going to check what it is.
Yeah, we don't see it because it's encrypted. The key is generated through your password, and your password never leaves your computer, so we don't see what files it stores. Yeah.
So you need also your client to download.
Yes.
So it's on a Windows, Mac, or Linux computer to download.
Yes.
But on small devices, you would need to add some clients in there and stuff like that. Maybe if you would like to stream on a mobile or something.
Yeah, we're not that far yet. But of course, it would be.
It could happen.
Maybe in the future. Yeah.
It's not very processor intensive to download.
No. It does need to do the decryption, which takes a bit of CPU, but I would say in a year it would work on any mobile phone.
Yeah. It'd be really nice if you could put this on Arcos on a mobile phone, you know, and you can just access your files wirelessly.
Yeah, sure.
All right, so this is your patent, is it? Or
we have 2 patents, but the core technology is kept secret. I mean, we do have some publications.
It's just secret. There's no patent.
There are 2 patents which are around the core technology.
So this is like, is it better than BitTorrent in efficiency?
Yes, I would say so. I mean, for BitTorrent really works really well for popular files, but it doesn't work for private files. If you want to share just your photos with your friends, BitTorrent as a technology doesn't work. And ours is hybrid. It works for private files as well as for popular files.
All right.
In fact, for popular files, the mechanism is very similar to the BitTorrent protocol, like tit-for-tat mechanism and so on.
But you always have a copy of everything, also in the public files.
Yes.
So it never disappears like BitTorrent when there's no zero receivers.
Yeah.
It's always somewhere stored somewhere. And sorry, how about the public files? You just get a URL to get it. There's a special URL you generate, or
yes, you can do that. You can do that way, or there is also a search engine. The public area in the client, you can search and browse, and there are related files, there are tags and stuff, so you can really discover files.
So in case they legalize downloading of all files through some new law, your system will be ready to just host everything.
Yeah, sure.
All right. Okay. Cool. Thanks.
Thank you.